Hello, I'm in a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your traction control. So while the vehicle's on, look to the side here, you should see this button. This is your traction control, so push it once to turn it off, and then again to turn it on. And you can see an indicator on the screen as well when it's off. It prompts you here that it's disabled, and you'll see this symbol up here. And then push it again to turn it back on. Typical driving, you want it on, so you want it where it's not displayed here. You might turn it off in situations where, like, say you're in a vehicle and you're towing something, like a trailer. You don't typically you might want it off so it's not confusing the transmission. Alternatively, if you're in rough road conditions like a lot of loose gravel, snow, ice, or like say stuck in the mud, you might turn it off so that your wheels aren't spinning in a way that make it harder to get out. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.